Day 5 in Fiji started off with a pineapple for breakfast dance. Then we checked out of our room, watched our American friend Tara do some aqua aerobics. So much fun. Then we said goodbye to our friends Roxanne and her family. Then it was time to get to the chopper. I'm going to make a whole video of just the chopper because it was an amazing experience. But we went from one resort to another in a chopper. So exciting. We arrived at the Coconut Beach Resort, said goodbye to our helicopter pilot. We're very warmly welcomed. We had a coconut to drink and some amazing lunch. Then we explored the grounds, had a look around, laid in some hammocks, had a nap. You know, all those things you do in Fiji. But watch out for falling coconuts. Can this place get any more picture perfect? Like, seriously. Another stunning Fijian sunset. Then cocktails, then entree, mains, dessert, which I forgot to film, and some beautiful entertainment by Brian and Philip. Then Philip taught us this Fijian funny Macarena type nutbush dance. It was so fun. Everyone joined in. Then we had like a family fun night of entertainment with games and laughter and silliness, and everyone had a good time. That's me in the back dancing like an idiot to like a freezy statue kind of game. And Uppy leading off this dance. Night Fiji!